Morning everyone, welcome to our Year 3 presentation assembly. It's Friday the 28th of May and yes, we're here, 7 weeks of half term. That's amazing. And just to celebrate, all of Year 3 has been working so hard throughout these 7 weeks, okay? So it's really well done, guys. I'm so proud of you. In a minute we're going to really celebrate those Year 3, so let's have a little look at them now. So here we go, look at these English stars. So we've got Rocco, we've got Jack, we've got Thea, we've got North, Ruby, Alfie Jack and Oscar working so hard. Look at Alfie Jack with his golden ticket as well. So hard. North, that amazing amount of writing. Constantly just working so hard throughout English and have done throughout this 7 weeks. So really well done, you superstars, and keep it up, you English stars. Moving on. Our PE stars, look at these. These ones are really active, physically active. When they're out on the playground, they don't stop running about. So we've got Lila Jade, we've got Willow, and we've got Jack. All right, Jack with his golden ticket again there. So you guys, I know, being really physically active, you'll be able to do absolutely lots of that this coming week, because looking like this half term, it's going to be amazing weather. We're going to have really nice weather over the next week. So let's get out and be really physically active because it's good for our mental health. So well done, you three. Proud of you. History stars, look at these. Historians working historically. Look, Diego, Tilly, Bailey, and Tia. You absolute superstars, working so hard on your history projects, I know that, and enjoying it as well, loving every single bit of it as well. I mean, really enjoying what you're writing about as well. So well done, you guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home today. We've got our math stars. Look at these mathematicians. Look, we've got Cleo, we've got Alfie Jack, we've got Heather, we've got Beren, and we've got Tyler. Look at you guys working so hard mathematically, and they know well. I've been checking up. I know I've been looking there as maths books in the past couple of weeks, and it is brilliant the way you're setting out your maths really neatly, but actually getting them all right as well really helps. So well done, all of you. Enjoyed taking your certificates home today. Our reading stars. Now these four not only will take a certificate home with them today, but they'll also be taking a new reading book with them because they've earned themselves a reading book because they are reading non-stop at home. So we've got Leia, we've got Marshall, and we've got Daniel, and we've got Beren. So really well done, guys. Enjoy your books, enjoy them over half term. When you come back after half term, tell me all about it. Let me find out all about the books that you've earned yourself. So really well done. Enjoy. Here we go. Miss White's English stars now. So we've got Chiquisha, we've got Mia, we've got Mahir, we've got Pandora, Mandy, Eric, and Jessica. You superstars, absolutely again working beautifully English. The handwriting as well of these children is beautiful. I've really been looking at them and some of them have been really proud and shown on my proud wall as well. Well done, guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home today. Well done. Here's PE stars. Look at these. Got a few more PE stars here, Miss White. Look at these. We've got Max and we've got Caius. We've got Fiona, Angel, Khaleesi, Eric, and Christophus. Loving PE, and I know full well these guys work so hard in their PE, their games lesson, non-stop, and they give it their all every single lesson. Really well done, guys. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking your certificates home today. Our math stars, look at these. We've got Regan, we've got Millie, Khaleesi, Jaden, Emily Ann, Milana, and Lexi. Working mathematically, but doing really well. Look at that big smile on Jaden's face. Absolutely beautiful, and I've seen Jaden's work as well. The way he sets it out, it's absolutely beautiful. So really well done, guys. Keep working hard on your maths. Keep practicing. Times table, rock stars, whatever that is, get that opportunity to practice as well. Give it a go and just keep working over half term as well. Well done, guys. History stars. Here's our historians. Miss White's historians now. These guys working really historic. Look at Ollie's big smiling face. Really well done, Ollie. So we've got Ollie, we've got Savannah, we've got Summer, we've got Esme, we've got Lola, Emma, and Joseph. Look at those big smiley faces. Just makes me smile. Well done, guys. Keep working hard on your history because it's fantastic to see. And we can see that in your writing as well. So well done. Really neatly presented. Got reading stars. Now, these are the four. They're going to get themselves a reading book. Okay, so this is Miss White's lot who will get themselves not only a certificate, but a reading book as well because they've been reading so much at home. So we've got Milana, we've got Fiona, we've got Charlemagne, and we've got Regan. Huge congratulations, guys. Well done. Enjoy your reading books and tell me all about them when we come back after half term, please. Well done. Top 3 in each class. House points. Look at this. Miss White, Mr. Ackermans. These are the top 3 in each class for house points. Fiona, 163. Milana, 177. Lexi, just out in the lead, 178. 1 house point in it. Amazing, you three. Well done. Then Mr. Ackerman, even then, look at this. Marshall, 172. Beren, 193. And then Alfie Jack, 196. Some of those faces, if not all of them, you'll have seen getting certificates as well. Is it any wonder? Huge congratulations, guys. Stand up now in your class. Everyone give you a massive cheer and a massive round of applause for your house. So well done, guys. I am proud of you. Thank you. Let's move on to the attendance lead, shall we? Let's see where these year 3 classes are. Come on. Oh, 14, 13, 12. Mr. Pinner, Miss Arthurton and Miss Barrett. No years 3 just yet. Let's keep it going. Here we go. There's Mr. Ackerman. Look, down in 11th place, needs to do better. He knows that. He'll be working really, really hard to try and move up the lead. Miss Hawkins and Miss Begum. And there's Miss White. Look, in 7th place, Miss White on 54 points. And I know you will both be keen to move up that leaderboard and move further up. So year 3s, come on. Let's try and get yourselves in. Let's have a look how the rest of the leaderboard look. In joint 4th, we've got Mrs. Cook and Miss Musselwhite, so year 2 and year 5. In joint 2nd place, we've got Miss Marshall, look at this, year 1, and Miss Percy in year 6. But still topping out, it's reception, Miss Hall. Come on, year 3s. If reception can do it, you guys can do it. Get yourselves to school every single day. Come on, after half term, we've got 6 weeks. Let's see if you can set yourself a challenge of not missing a single day. It will just help with your progress and your learning. Come on, guys, give it a go. Finally, well done, everyone. Fantastic effort today. Well done on earning all those certificates. I'm really, really proud of you. Enjoy taking those home today. It's half term. We've got a week off. Really enjoy the weather. Get out. Really enjoy the weather. Be physically active as much as you possibly can. And we're back on Monday, the 7th of June. I said, just for those 6 weeks up to the summer holiday. So let's see, guys, you year 3s, if we can be in every single day. Until then, bye-bye now.